Throughout my career, I've done every role in a care home, which gives me a full understanding of what I expect from my team. I've worked my way up to management and I thoroughly enjoy my role. I recently started at Porthaven as the home manager. My role is about ensuring we provide the absolute best care, because that's what it's about. It's about making sure that we are supporting people to the best of our ability. Porthaven is such a great company and I've seen that in the time I've been here. I'm very impressed with Deer Park. It is beautiful. The surroundings, the decor, the facilities that are on offer here are fantastic. The cinema room is amazing. It really is such a beautiful environment for people to go and have a really nice time. Some of the facilities on offer are private dining, which is again a beautiful environment, a gym, exercise, mobility is so important. We also have a library, lots of lovely places to sit and enjoy, and the dining rooms are beautiful. Deer Park is purpose-built and a lot of thought has gone into every single room in the home. In my 20 years of experience in care, what I've seen is that most residents like to go out into the garden spaces, and at Deer Park we have a greenhouse, we have raised bedded areas, we have curved paths that the residents can enjoy walking around. Deer Park supports people with varying needs, so we can support people that are residential, nursing, and people that are on a dementia journey. I think it's really important to be able to offer all of those categories of care so that people know when they choose to come to Deer Park, this is a home they can stay for life. For families, that's really important, and it's reassuring that if somebody's needs change, we have the facilities and the skills within our staff team to support people to stay with us. We have an area of the home that has been designed for people living with dementia. The small things really matter to somebody living with dementia, including having dining areas that have lounges attached to those areas with fantastic balconies that people can go outside and enjoy the Herefordshire sunshine. And you can have a fantastic life here at Deer Park with the facilities that we have on offer, with the gym, with the cinema, with the private dining, with the beautiful gardens that we have here on offer. There is a lot to enjoy about life when you're living in a Porthaven care home.